Hello, good morning friends. Myself Rahul S. Mistry. I am Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in last 3.5 years in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, which is situated in Navsari. In our institute, it has a huge campus and it is also available of the diploma college. Our college have also a sport complex which is students are playing indoor games. And also a outer game for the huge cricket ground is also available in our institute. In our institute, the highly qualified and highly experienced faculty are available in our institute, which is in engineering. In engineering college, our college is the oldest college in the Navsari. Okay, today we start with our manufacturing process. The subject code is 3141908. Okay, and we study about today discuss about the drilling machine. Okay, so we know about the drilling machine are the drill the hole and enlarging the hole created in the workpiece. Okay, there are many types of drilling machine available in the industry and marketing. Okay, so we first start with the classification of drilling machine. There are many types of drilling machine available in market. So first start with the our portable drilling machine. We know that about the first one is portable drilling machine. We know about the portable drilling machine is size of the very small and it is create a small hole created by the tool. In portable drilling machine, there is no requirement for the stay in the one place. We are looking for the going to and taken a hand to work to another place by the drilling machine. Okay, it is not a fixed place for the portable drilling machine, and it is create a small hole by the machine. Okay, this is for the portable drilling machine. Next one is the sensitive drilling machine. So in figure, sensitive drilling machine, there are the feed head, V-bell, con pulley, driving motor, vertical column, base, table, drill spindle and sleeve. The sensitive drilling machine is the small size of drilling machine which is used of the create hole by small hole. Okay, see in figure, first the field hand. Field hand is the movable of the drilling speed up and down by the feed mechanism for the machining. This is the V-bell and is con pulley. The rotating of the V-bell by the con pulley. This is the driving motor for the drive the machine. Okay, this vertical column, base. Okay, and this table. First of all, our workpiece are in the held in the table, which is fixed by the fixer. There are many types of fixer available in the market. Okay, so we drilling machine for pick up the workpiece in here, and the feed mechanism move by the near hand and the create hole by the feed hand. There is no automatically feed mechanism in the sensitive drilling. It is a manually driving by the hand mechanism for the feed. Okay, this is the sensitive drilling machine, and next one is the radial drilling machine. So in figure, in radial drilling machine, column, radial arm, then drilling head and its base. Okay, so first, so in figure the arrow of the jaw, it is a movable of the machine arm. Okay, so first column are moved in the in up and down side. Arm is swinging all in the 360 degree diagram, 360, and it is also a radial move and right and left hand side. Okay, so in this it is a very useful drilling machine in industry because there are the it is a move a 360 degree. It is a move a 360 degree around any angle of the create hole by the radial drilling machine. It is a very important drilling machine for in industry to move any angle of the create by the radial drilling machine, and it is also heavy. It is a heavy work for it is also done by the radial drilling machine, and it is there are many number of the various angle to create by the hole in the radial drilling machine. It is moving a 360 degree, 54 degree. There are which is the all are the angle are in the angle to create a hole by the radial drilling machine. Okay, it is another two machine are the multi-spindle drilling machine and gang drilling machine. I am draw a figure of the gang drilling machine and multi-spindle drilling machine. Okay, so in figure there are two different types of drilling machine. First one is gang drilling machine and second one is the multi-spindle drilling machine. Looking for the same, both are looking same, but in the differences there are major difference between them. So in figure that there are the tool and head and this is the table. In gang drilling machine, okay, there are the different powerhouse in the different head, because there are operation done by the in this machine are various. Like there is no similar operation in this gang drilling machine. There are different operation we can create by the gang drilling machine, because the powerhouse of the every head is different. There are the different powerhouse. There are use of the different operation done by the gang drilling machine. In the where there are the various types of in operation they create one time we create in the gang drilling machine is very speedy. Okay, second one is the multi-spindle drilling machine. So in figure this is head and tool and this is table. So in this multi-spindle drilling machine, the powerhouse of the all the head are same. That's why the all the spindle head are running out the same speed and same. Okay, this multi-spindle drilling machine is used for the mass production. Whenever we require to mass production for the same the same workpiece are used, there are the use of the multi-spindle drilling machine is the most suitable for the mass production. This is the two types of we study about the gang drilling machine and multi-spindle drilling machine. Okay, next topic is the drilling machine operation. Okay, there are different types of operation performed by the drilling machine we know about. There are different operation. First one is the drilling operation we know about. Second one is the reamer. Third one is the counter boring, counter sinking, sport facing, tapping and trepanning. There it is the different types of operation done by the drilling machine. So let's start with the first is the drilling operation done by the drilling machine. First one is drilling. Okay, so in figure in the drilling operation, this is the tool and this is the workpiece and created hole by the tool. So in figure, the first is the tool for feeding mechanism feed to the workpiece and the hole created by the workpiece. Second operation is reaming. So it is a reaming operation. So in figure is a reamer and is a created hole by the workpiece. A reaming operation is used for the shaping and sizing for the workpiece. It is used whenever the reaming operation. Next one is the counter boring operation. Okay, next operation is the counter boring operation. See in figure the tool and the workpiece. Tool is a counter boring tool. It is used whenever the first the drill is created by the first small drill, and then is the enlarging of the drill hole created by the counter boring tool. That means it is an enlarging of the flat size of the hole created by the counter boring operation. Next one is the counter sinking operation. Okay, next operation is counter sinking operation. This is a counter sinking tool and this is the workpiece. Okay, in a conical shape, whenever the require the conical shape of the workpiece, that is the use of the counter sinking tool and create the hole by the workpiece. Same figure the counter sinking tool and the workpiece in conical shape created by conical shape of the hole created by the counter sinking operation. There it is a screw are fitted to the workpiece. Whenever screw fit in the workpiece, there it is use of the counter sinking operation. Next is the spot facing operation. Next operation is spot facing operation. In this operation, the done by the create a hole by the only surface of the workpiece. It is used for the in this type of operation used for the whenever the create a hole by for washer or visor to the stay of the workpiece and create a flat surface for the machining. Whenever it is used of the spot facing operation for the slightly remove create a hole on the surface of the workpiece whenever it is used of spot facing. Next operation is taping. Okay, say in figure tapping operation. In this tapping operation, so figure tapping, it is used for the internal thread of the workpiece. When internal thread for the workpiece, whenever it is used of the tapping, a force applied by the upper side and the workpiece are in the fixed, and the tapping tool are removed in the created hole by the tip of the tool, and it is create the internal thread for the in the workpiece. Thank you.